a problem just like you. Tell that bitch I don't like you. Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. Boss. Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. A boss. Real one.
Hi my loves, Love Taylor here, coming back to you with another video. And this time I'm here to talk all about this half up, half down style. As many of you know, the half up, half down style is super popular right now. I know you've seen it on a lot of the IG baddies and a lot of your favorite celebrities and a lot of girls from around the way. I've been wanting to rock this style for a minute. I cut my hair quite some time ago. I haven't been able to wear my hair half up, half down the way I want. It just didn't have the length, the fullness, anything that I need. But I found out about this half wig, and when I looked on YouTube and saw all the different people that was doing this half up, half down style with it, I was like, I have got to try it. So I decided to give it a try, and I decided to record myself while trying it. So I'm going to present to you all a nice tutorial and review on this lovely half wig, and hopefully this will help you all out. And I'll also give you details on how you can easily obtain this style along with what you may need to obtain it. So yeah guys, stay tuned. So let's just go ahead and get to it, and let me show you how I achieve this style, shall we? Alright my loves, so the night that I began to achieve this hairstyle, I had actually just washed my hair. So first things first that I needed to do was I needed to section my hair off. I put half of my hair in a bun, so that had just been washed and blow dried. The other half I actually sectioned off and began to use my miniature flat iron there to straighten and begin to curl my hair. Now the main reason that I did this is because this is the section of hair that I will be blending in with half wig Ashani. So half wig Ashani is wavy / curly, and you really want it to blend in and look natural. So I really had to go in and make that hair blend. So taking that miniature flat iron and straightening and putting those curls in really made a difference. Also, I was able to go ahead and section off and curl the pieces that I wanted out. So that included the two pieces right there in the front, and then also two small sectioned off pieces on the side. So what I'm about to do now is take all the hair that I specifically left out, and I'm going to begin curling it with my miniature flat iron there, so that the hair that I leave out blends as much as possible with the half wig Ashani. Okay, so now that I have those pieces curled like I want, I'm actually going to section the hair back off again, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use my rollers and I'm going to roll up my hair, because I did begin to try to achieve this hairstyle at night. I want this to look good in the morning. And one thing to really make that stay and to give it extra curls is to use these rollers. And these are my favorite rollers here. I get these from the Dollar Tree. You can get them by the pack. But I'm going to begin to roll those two pieces on the side there. And now I'm going to begin to roll the rest of my hair that is sectioned off at the top. And the part that is sectioned off at the top is the part that's going to actually blend in with Ashani the most. That's going to be that half up part of the ponytail. So you really want those curls to come out really good. So I am going to use a multitude of the same rollers. The only thing is some of those rollers are going to be smaller and some of them are going to be larger. So that's why you're going to see the variation of colors in these rollers. So now we have that top part completely finished. All of that hair has been rolled. We will now begin to work on our last two pieces, which are those two main curls out in the front that have been sectioned off. So now that my hair is completely rolled in the front, I'm going to begin using my hairspray and begin setting it for the night. So the rest of my hair is bunned up and pinned in the back, and I have my rollers set in the front. Lastly, to set everything off, I'm going to get my headscarf and I am going to wrap my hair for the night. Now it is time for me to head to bed, and we will see this transformation in the morning. Alright, so now it is the morning. I've just done my makeup. Now I am going to take this scarf off, and I am going to begin taking these rollers out and begin setting my hair and do this wonderful hair transformation. Alright, so now I am finally grabbing half Wig Ashani, and I am going to begin pinning this into my hair. So there is a pin in the back, so first I want to pin that at the very back and make sure that's secured at the bottom there. And then there is a pin at the very top. So you want to go ahead and pin that in nice and tight there. And if you need extra safety security, grab some bobby pins to pin it down some more. Alright, so now is the part where you want to make that high up ponytail so you can achieve that half up, half down look. So you're going to grab some of the hair from the half wig, and then you want to begin taking your own hair and you want to begin putting that into a ponytail. Alright, so now we're just going to focus on these two pieces out in the front. You need that miniature flat iron and a comb. And we're going to begin to flatten this out just a little bit because those curls are going to be relatively tight. So we're going to just use that to straighten it out just a little bit, make it just a tad bit looser there. And it's also going to be the same thing with those little pieces on the side there. And finally, hairspray, just to set everything in place and give it that nice finished look. And voila! So this is how I created this look. So you got your two pieces right here, little curly piece on the side here, you got your updo there, and then you got your long hang time there. So half up, half down, two pieces on the side, and then you got your little curly part right here, your little sideburns, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so that's how I created this look. Like I said, it was only, the hair was only $15, The rollers were $5 because I bought 5 packs at the Dollar Tree. All this other stuff I already had. You can get that miniature flat iron at like a Walmart or a Target, usually like 15-20 bucks. All my other accessories as far as like hairspray and edge control, I get that at my local beauty supply store, and most of that stuff just ranges from $3 to $4 bucks. But yeah, so that is the final result. That is how I got this hairstyle. That is it. Now I gotta get out of here and go. I feel like I do this on all of my videos. Like every video I have, I'm like, okay guys, I gotta go, because I literally record as I'm about to like get ready to go somewhere. And it's kind of good and bad. You get to see me in real time do my hair or makeup, but at the same time, sometimes it makes me late to the places that I'm actually about to go. So it is what it is. But yeah guys, be sure to comment down below your thoughts, any questions you have. I will try to put everything I use in the description box, every link, everything that you need. Be sure to also thumbs up this video. More videos coming to you from me. Until next time, bye my loves.